Hello and welcome to another FTx Commerce training video. In this training video, we'll be showing you how to set up the subscribe and save features for FTx Commerce in the Control Center. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, FTx POS. And while you're at it, check out our FTx Academy for more helpful training videos like this one. The subscribe and save feature in the FTx Commerce lets your customer schedule recurring deliveries for their favorite products. It means they never run out of the essentials, and they might even get a little discount along the way. Now let's walk you through how to enable and manage this feature from the Control Center. After logging into the Control Center, click Point of Sale, and then FTx Commerce. And then from the drop-down, click Settings. From here, we'll have to enable Subscribe and Save. Next, we'll add days. These are the order frequency options customers can choose. For example, they can pick every 7 days, 14, or 30 days. You can add up to 15 different intervals anywhere from between 1 day to 365 days. For this example, we'll add 30 days. And don't forget to save. Then you'll get a pop-up telling you you're about to modify the auto ship days. Click Yes and Update. To make specific products eligible for subscriptions, let's go to our price book, Products. From here, we can enter in an item name, choose from a department, or a UPC. For our example, we'll use a UPC. Next, we'll click on the product details, and then we'll click on the FTx Commerce tab. And then we'll scroll down to the fulfillment section, and as you can see, the subscribe and save for delivery and ship is now available. In order to toggle it to yes, we will have to choose either the standard shipping or scheduled delivery. For this example, let's click on standard shipping. And now we'll toggle on the subscribe and save for delivery and shipping. We can also override the number of days, the order frequency for this product. To do this, we can click the Override Auto Ship Day options. Now let's click the Save and Close button. Click Point of Sale, and then FTx Commerce. And now we can set up the FTx Commerce subscription discount. Let's click the Setup button. Now let's click on the Add New button. Here you will add in a name for this subscription. You can also add in a scan data name if this is for Altria, as well as an online title and description. The online title and description are similar to meta details. The type will be the subscribe and save for FTx Commerce. The Save and Subscribe feature allows customers to receive a discount on their recurring orders. The percent of discounts will be applied only to the subscribed-enabled product. For detailed information, utilize the online title and online description fields to add details for the Save and Subscribe option for the products. Next, set the minimum recurring orders to apply a discount reversal charge when a customer cancels their subscription before completing the required number of recurring orders. Note, the subscription discount only applies to FTx Commerce orders. For this example, let's give 10% off and a minimum recurring order of 2. Next, we'll choose the start and end date for this subscription. It's recommended to push your end date out a couple of months or even a year. For our example, we'll set this to the end of the year. You can enter in an accounting code and an export description for your accounting software. Next, let's choose the locations the subscription will be available in. We can choose all, or click the drop-down and choose by location or location groups. For this example, we'll choose all locations. Next, let's choose the products in our discount filter. Click the Manage button. From here, you can choose products from categories, manufacturers, departments, department groups, brands, or tags. And lastly, we can filter by specific products. For this example, we're going to use the product we just activated in our price book. Let's choose our products, shoot that over to our selected list, and hit Apply. And remember, you have full control over intervals, discounts, and eligible products all right in your Control Center. And if you found this training helpful, don't forget to subscribe to FTx POS on YouTube and visit FTx Academy for even more training videos like this one. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.